Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for Simple Stories Saturday. It's also the 25th for 30 days of not cut files. 30 days of sketches with Chrissy from Chrissy's Beautiful Life 16. This whole month it's a double page sketch. Every day is a double page sketch, which is awesome. I used to primarily do double page sketches because creative memories kind of like, I don't know, I feel like that's how everyone did it back in the early 2000s, late 90s, maybe probably early 90s. And then also, yeah, I still like them because sometimes I have so many photos that it just works out. Sometimes I have to do a double page and then on top of that, another single page and a pocket page. So with how many photos I've taken of a certain event, that just happens. Depends on how you want to depict the event or the thing that you're scrapbooking. If you want to break it up into sections or if you want it all together. So yeah, anyway, double page sketch. I have been kind of out of the loop. I've been very busy with other life things. So I didn't realize when I, like ahead of time, I didn't know who had created what sketch for what day this month. I haven't got to play along at all except for today. And I was so excited to see that the sketch for today was for the lovely Rebecca Lockhart. I have not talked to her in forever. I kind of miss talking to a lot of my Scrabby friends, but I have been just swamped with life that I'm barely getting things by. And yes, I sound very baritone today. I am getting over a cold. I work at a school and it finally hit me what was kind of going around. So I'm actually feeling a lot better than I sound, which is nice. But I sound like crap. So I am playing with Simple Stories. I think it's called Simple Vintage Market Flowers or Flower Market. I think it's something along those lines. It was a scraproom kit I got from, I want to say July or August. And I want to finish it up. And I will get a lot of it killed. I still probably can make one layout for sure from it. I have enough paper. So I might try to do that here when I get some time to scrapbook. Between having a new puppy, still trying to finish a basement on our own, which is not going anywhere near the speed I would like it to, and just trying to live. It's just been a struggle, let me tell you. Every waking moment, there's something going on. It feels like, or when you finally just need that rest time, it's like, I don't want to do anything. Anyway, I know a lot of you can relate. So I'm changing it up a little bit just because I don't have a lot of the things, the elements that are in the sketch, but I kind of make it work for me. So I toyed with the idea of having two photos on the right page instead, but I really like the look of just that single photo. Sometimes the design, it just stands out better, so I'm not going to mess with that. But since I don't have this big, giant floral, like a really cool cut file would be really cool on the left-hand page, or to fill in that big floral area that she has. But I have an extra photo. So I'm bringing in color to the left-hand page because there's so much color on the right-hand page with the pattern that I used. So I'm going to back all my photos with some color, and then I'm going to literally do like a sticker sneeze, but it's going to kind of flow like in the floral design of the sketch. You'll kind of see what I'm talking about here in a second. So I matted the three photos on the left in the yellow gingham, and so I'm going to add a fourth photo in the yellow gingham, and then there's going to be a little leftover of the reverse side, which is like a lilac-y pink, and so I'm just going to kind of put that behind it as well, just so it adds another little bit of color, and I'm just going to skew that one between the bottom two photos off to the side, so then it kind of creates that bulkiness, that presence that we need in the left-hand page for the sketch. Again, you don't have to follow a sketch verbatim, and this is a way to get the same look without following it to a T. Sketches are made for guidelines, and honestly, it's your page. Do what you want. I'm just telling you why I did what I wanted to do because I really liked the look of the page, and I wanted to follow the sketch closer. So to get that bulkiness on the left, I'm just adding this fourth photo. And then I'm going to triple mat my single photo on the right because one, I have white cardstock, and two, I have crazy colorful. So I want it to actually pop off the page. I want it to stand out a little bit. And so that's why I'm matting it 3 times so it stands out from the crazy pattern that is on the right hand side of the right page. And then it's the white on the left hand side of the right page. So that way it just kind of pops off that. I'm going to put some big Mama phone tape from Spiegel Mom Scraps behind my single photo, as well as just the top of that 4th photo that I have on the left side. Here's the sticker sheet too. There's all these stickers of like stone paths and windows and things I don't typically use in my scrapbooking. So this is going to be a really great place to use it because I'm going to create just sticker clusters on the left-hand page to kind of mimic that giant floral cluster that she had in the sketch. And then on the right-hand page, the top and bottom corners, how there were big floral bundles. I'm just going to sticker crazy. So it might look a little jumbled, but at the same time, in the scheme of things, when I look back and I look at it from far away, I think it looks great. I think it all flows really good. Yeah. But these are photos of some ducks we came across at my mother-in-law's. These were back in 2020. We were there. I don't remember. I wrote down the date on the page, but I don't remember what it was right now. You guys might be able to see the date. I want to say it was like July or August. We were there. I think it was August. And these 2 ducks, a pair of mallards. Or were they a pair of wood ducks? Oh no, they weren't mallards. They might be teal. Blue-winged teal. We're just hanging out. Like, they were not scared of us. They were actually quite friendly. It was very, very strange. And I don't know if they were confused or lost or what the heck happened, but my son got to get really close, and it was just really fun watching them interact and be near us. And yeah, if this was just a stop on their journey, I'm not sure. Nobody knows. We haven't seen them since, and we had never seen them there before. So it was just really weird. My mother-in-law has a pond in her backyard, like a very large pond. Someone called it a slough. But she's always had geese, like crazy amounts of geese. And there's always some pelicans flying over. There's always ducks and stuff on the pond. We've never had just a pair of ducks hanging out in her backyard. Just it was odd, but it was really fun to capture. So that's what the pictures are of. So here I am doing the stickers knee. So I have, because these were scrapbooking kits, I don't have the entire thing, but I do have a really good amount of items, so I can make quite a few pages. So this will be pages 2 and 3 I've made with the kit, and so like I said, I probably can get a 4th page out of it. So I have a couple sheets from the sticker book from this collection, and then I have that giant sticker sheet, and then a few ephemera bits. Not too many, but a few. And so yeah, I'm going to just creating that cluster in the upper right, and then slowly adding some things on the left. There's a lot of dragonflies and butterflies and just nature looking items, so I figured that would work really well for this page. Apologies for how crooked my screen is. I bumped it the other day, and it's one of those things, like, I love my Canva light, or Canvas light, that's what it's called. It's awesome. It has got the best, like, extension and range, but it's like, but if you bump it, there's no way to know exactly where you had it, really. Like, that's with any light that you have overhead. If you bump it, it's like, dang it. Like, unless you can, because you can't tape air, you know what I mean? How it's overhanging, you just, yeah. Say la vie. So anywho, I am finishing using as many stickers as I can. I kind of wish I would have gotten that bird cage on there, but figured, well, at least I got a bunch of the other things on there. Yeah, I'll use a few butterflies. I'll pop a few things up Maybe not that much more. I pop things up. But I use a phrase sticker and a sticker that says, does it say Wonder? Oh, I can't see. Maybe you guys can see it better. Would have to look in my photos closer up because I can't read that from here. But I used 2 stickers to make my title, and it says Beautiful Wonder. And just because of, the ducks. So I thought they would be perfect for talking about the ducks. That would be a great title. I'm so glad it has turned to fall finally. It's kind of sad that it's waited till the end of October, but I guess it's kind of typical for us in the Midwest. But down in the southern Minnesota, a lot of the trees still have their leaves and they're changing, but now the weather's getting cold and the wind's picking up, so they're all falling to the ground, and it's a fun old time. So yep, used up, like I said, as many stickers as possible. I just stickered the heck out of it, and just made clusters so you can help be the judge if you think it looks good or not. But I used below that additional photo that I did to do some journaling. And then I'm going to add a few more phrase stickers on the right hand side. Like I said, there's always just so many stickers in a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and I only have so many papers in a smaller kit like this, so that I just trying to use up as many stickers as possible. And I accomplished quite a lot. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the Facebook group and the shop and the YouTube channel for a bunch of inspiration for the scrap room. Otherwise, also make sure you check out everybody else who played along with 30 Days of Sketches down below and Simple Story Saturday. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.